Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the CubesLand small cotton rope storage basket set, a must-have for anyone looking to organize their home with style and functionality. This set includes 5 multi-size baskets, perfect for every nook and cranny, whether it's your corner shelf, bathroom, nursery, or even your kitchen pantry. Crafted from 100% organic cotton rope, these baskets are not only eco-friendly but also safe for children and pets, ensuring peace of mind while you declutter. Each basket arrives in a perfectly rectangular shape, eliminating the hassle of floppy storage solutions, and they come in 7 elegant colors to seamlessly blend with any decor style, from boho chic to rustic farmhouse. Whether you're organizing fruits, remote controls, or nursery necessities, these baskets offer a charming and stylish solution to your storage needs. Plus, they make for a thoughtful gift option, allowing you to create personalized presents for occasions like Easter, Mother's Day, or Christmas. So, if you're ready to elevate your home organization game, stay tuned as we explore the endless possibilities with the CubesLand storage basket set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.